Hi, it's Maggie here from Resume Care Management Consultants, and I hope that you are having a great day today. Now, you'll probably tell me, Maggie, the point of this video is pretty obvious, but you'll be surprised how many times this can and does cause issues that delay your Ofsted registration process. And this is down to sending in the forms, the SC1 and the SC2. This means completing the application form SC1 as the provider and making sure that you send all the documents that they ask for, and the SC2 for the manager, the registered individual, and anyone connected with the process. Also, what they're saying is documents, they need to be good quality. You need to have good quality documents that you send in with your application, or else what you're going to end up is in this endless delay cycle with Ofsted asking you for things and you sending bits in. Then they get lost in people's entries and it doesn't come together and it creates a big mess. So, where possible, send in everything together and check and double check. Now, Ofsted have said that one of the issues that they've got with the SC1 is that the information that you put on there for your business doesn't always match up with what's on Companies House. So double check your SC1 and make sure that your information that you're putting on about your company and your directors is the same as what you're putting on Companies House. So double check everything. Make sure on your SC2 forms that your people are putting on references that Ofsted can get in touch with, because this is often one of the issues that they have: delays in getting references, or references that are being put down that are not relevant. So double check on those things too, and try, where possible, to make sure that all that information is sent together. That is really worth a double check and a double check, because it's going to save you from getting delayed along the way. So I hope that information's been helpful. If it has been, please give us a like, and also please sign up and get some more information on opening a children's home. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Many thanks and bye for now.